is Benenden Hospital and yes, lifts all the time. Now to the first lift, which is a futuristic ThyssenKrupp hydraulic. And it's got a C button. And if you press this button, it wants you to enter in a passcode. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and it works! So then, this actually puts the lift onto independent service, and it's actually got a setting of how long it stays on independent service for. Then if you press the C button, then 1, 2, 3, 4 again, it then takes the lift out of independent service. And now along to the next lift, which is an old lift, which has been horribly modernised. Ah!
Floor 1. Doors opening.
And now along we go to the awesome Dover Hampton Champness. This is a totally epic lift and it's theatre use only. I'm not supposed to go in this lift and just as I was going to it, I got caught. Yeah, this person said, "Can I help you?" "Oh, if you're going downstairs, use the other lift. This is the theatre lift only." Sod you! So then, along we go to the next lift, which is an awesome 1960s Marriott Scott with vintage Dewhurst. Let's ride it! that, everyone, is the end of the video. Except it's not, because I couldn't let that awesome 70s ham and chapness Dover get away, could I? So back to this awesome lift I go. And I've hidden my camera and I'm using my Android here, and along to this awesome lift I go. And no one about. Press a button and quickly walk away and pretend I'm on my phone just playing a game or something, so if anyone walks past in the wall they don't notice I'm waiting for his lift, and when it arrives I quickly run back into it and let's ride it.